Do the honors, Chandler.
Green light. Red light.
Oh, that was a loud one. There it is. Hey. Green light. Red light. Look how close they are to the finish line. It is do or die for most of these people. Everyone look up at the TV. You have 4 minutes and 20 seconds left.
Yeah, that's the number!
Green light. Red light. We have our first 2 finishers over here. Let's go! Green light. Red light.
Sir, baby. Yes, sir, baby.
All right, we have 5 people across the finish line now.
You're all kind of screwed if you don't run faster.
Yeah, you're right.
Green light. Red light.
Only 2 minutes remain.
It all makes me way too nervous.
Green light. Red light. We have under 1 minute remaining. Time's ticking. Green light. Red light. You have stepped on the line. You are good. You're good. You're good. Red light.